Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances. Hi guys, I know some of you loves matcha. So for today's video, we're going to make a matcha pancake souffle. Tara, let's cook it using Koizumi induction cooker. So now let's make matcha pancake souffle. So for our matcha pancake souffle, the ingredients we're going to use are matcha powder, butter, baking powder, white sugar, milk, vanilla extract, flour, egg yolk, and egg white. So first procedure muna natin, mix egg yolk, vanilla extract, milk, so mix. Next, egg whites, bit. So once nag-bubble na siya, let's add our sugar. So once ready na yung pirang natin, let's fold in the other ingredients. Let's mix our egg whites. Add in our baking powder. Flour. Lastly, our matcha powder. So let's place it in our pastry bag. Oil to our pan. Add some water. For our matcha, let's cook it siguro mga 1 minute each side. So by the way guys, Koizumi induction cooker is 2000 watts. Very easy to use. Glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistant. So after 1 minute, okay na yung souffle natin. So let's plate it na. Add some matcha powder. So this is it, our matcha pancake souffle.